Hey guys, Don here. So today I'm going to be doing some words training during recall. I'm going to give some direct quotes from two major influences on me, John Watson and B.F. Skinner. Now, disclaimer, John Watson, bit of a jerk, had some bad ideas, but he had a lot of good ones as well. So, let's see how this goes. Fuel wider, dark cliff. Fuel wider, dark. Okay. So let's start with John Watson. Give me a dozen healthy infants, well-formed, in my own specific world to bring them up in. I guarantee to take anyone at random, train them to become any type of specialist I might select. Doctor, lawyer, artist, merchant, chief, and yes, even beggar man and thief. Regardless of his talents, penchants, tendencies, abilities, vocations, and race of his ancestors. Okay, now let's talk about B.F. Skinner. We shouldn't teach a love of great books. We should teach a love of reading. To know the works, to know the contents of a few works of literature is a trivial achievement. To be inclined to go on reading is a great achievement. So that was a little bit quicker than I had anticipated, but I really admire the whole idea here. Because this thinking is sort of what got me into memory training, because I believe this wasn't good enough, and still isn't, but I'm getting closer. Actually went better than I thought. but I really have to get better at these last few. This has been a problem lately. Maybe I'll just tell you guys what I see. This might be top incredible. I think it's incredible top. So yeah, this is just like a bicycle running into a dollar sign. This is Eminem, but he's far away. Just a hand flipping over like a nerve. I like pictured a nerve, and it's just stealing. So this was like a tree with a wrench. So this was a recorder and then a green light. So I saw like an economics teacher holding an infant. I saw a multiplication sign handing out a refund. I saw like a scaffolding stage, and then it was like dropping a point. Somebody with a shock expression, and then like a bit from a puzzle. I saw somebody like drunken as a doctor. I saw time, like a clock, and then I actually messed it up. I saw like an entourage, but then I realized it's okay, it's encouraged. This here I saw like the word repetition more than I saw a defect, but sometimes when I'll get two. So this was just the letter A popping out a baby. This was like an incredible spin top, but I might have messed this up. This is Justin Trudeau wearing a hat. This was Anakin Skywalker. Not the best memorization, and I might have got the word degenerate wrong, but I'm pretty confident that's right. So this was kind of an odd one. So this was No Heart from the Care Bears. See, this is kind of a tricky one because these words are sort of similar. I mean, they're different, but they're both geographical words. And so this was like a continent going into like a forest. So this was just like somebody, and they're in pain. This is somebody holding their knee. That actually goes. That's pretty easy. Hopefully I didn't get that wrong. So yeah, snowflake in the air. That's pretty easy too. Okay. It was okay. Economic, not economics. And messed up my grab. Okay. I hope you found this informative, and hope you guys have a great day.